We tend to throw away drinking straw after using for once, but you'll get surprising seeing how a straw can change the whole scenario of your clogged drain. Drinking straws have a lot more use than we would have thought of, and that little tube of plastic is extremely versatile and can make your life a lot easier. So, join us as we explore 15 amazing life hacks of using a drinking straw. Make sure to watch till the end for the most surprising tips. Number 15, phone stand. Need a quick and sturdy phone stand? Cut a straw into several pieces and then gluing them together to form a stand that can hold your phone. Another method involves folding the straw into a triangular shape and then cutting off the excess to create a stand that can hold your phone. Perfect for hands-free viewing. Number 14, travel toothbrush cover. Cut a drinking straw to the length of your toothbrush, then slit it lengthwise and slide it over the bristles. This makeshift cover will help keep your toothbrush clean and prevent it from coming into contact with other items in your toiletry bag. Number 13, unclog ketchup stuck in the bottle. Just insert a drinking straw into the bottle of ketchup until it reaches the bottom. By doing this, you break up the clogged ketchup and insert air, which will help to move the ketchup out of the bottle. This method is quick and easy and can save you from the frustration of trying to get ketchup out of a clogged bottle. Number 12, cord organizer. Tired of tangled cords? Using a drinking straw as a cord organizer is a simple and practical solution to keep your cables and cords neat and tangle-free. Cut the drinking straw to the desired length, which should be slightly longer than the cable or cord you want to organize. Gently thread the cable or cord through the drinking straw. You can either insert the entire cable, or if it's too long, you can insert a portion of it. After the cable is inside the straw, you can leave some excess at both ends of the straw. This will help keep the cable in place and prevent it from sliding out. Repeat this process for each cable or cord you want to organize. Say goodbye to knots and tangles. Number 11, fridge freshener. Sick of funky fridge odors? Fill a straw with baking soda, seal the ends, and toss it in the fridge. Put the straw in your fridge to maintain a pleasant scent. The drinking straw fresheners can help absorb odors and replace them with a pleasant fragrance, making your refrigerator a more enjoyable and odor-free space. It's a natural odor absorber and cost-effective way to keep your refrigerator smelling fresh. Number 10, ice cream cone stopper. Tired of ice cream dripping from the bottom of the cone? Choose a drinking straw and cut it to a length that is slightly shorter than the bottom opening of the ice cream cone. Gently insert the cut end of the straw into the bottom opening of the ice cream cone. Push it up until it's just below the ice cream. The drinking straw in place, you can now enjoy your ice cream without worrying about it dripping out of the bottom. The straw acts as a stopper, preventing any melting ice cream from escaping. Enjoy your treat without the mess. Number 9, let your cats have them. Yes, straws are just one of the many super cheap cat toys that you already have at home. They love those suckers. I know people who buy boxes of these things just for their cats, and apparently you should never leave a drink with a straw in it unattended. Number 8, DIY pencil case. Creating a DIY pencil case using plastic drinking straws is a fun and eco-friendly project. Cut the straws to the desired size, then assemble them by stacking and securing them together with tape or hot glue. Attach a zipper to create the case's opening and decorate it as you like. This creative pencil case is a great way to recycle straws and keep your stationery organized. Number 7, hull your strawberries. Yes, you can use a drinking straw to hull your strawberries. This method is quick and easy and can save you time compared to using a knife. To hull strawberries with a straw, start at the bottom of the strawberry and push the straw up through the center of the berry until the stem and white bit pop right up. This method works best with plastic and reusable metal straws, and the straw hole should be the same size or larger than the berry stem. Number 6, DIY plant watering tool. Keep your plants hydrated with ease. Fill a jar full of water and stick the straw into the water. Plug the top of the straw to hold the water inside. Then bury the other end of the straw into the soil of your plant. The cotton wick inside the straw will absorb the water and release it into the soil, keeping your plant hydrated. Watch it self-water your plants. Number 5, DIY bookmark. Creating a DIY bookmark using a plastic drinking straw is a straightforward and enjoyable endeavor. Cut the straw to your desired length and decorate it as you like. You can also add a tassel for extra flair. Once complete, your unique and eco-friendly straw bookmark is ready to keep your place in books or other reading materials. It's a simple and creative way to personalize your reading experience. Number 4, toothpaste tube squeezer. Here's a hygiene hack. You can create a toothpaste tube squeezer from a drinking straw by cutting the straw to the desired length, flattening one end to serve as a squeezer, and then sliding it onto the bottom of the toothpaste tube. This DIY project helps you efficiently squeeze out the toothpaste and keep the tube sealed. It's a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution to maximize product usage. Number 3, emergency screwdriver. Straws can even become a makeshift screwdriver. You can use a drinking straw as an emergency screwdriver. This hack works because the straw can hold a tiny screw in place while you're attempting to screw something in. To use a straw as a screwdriver, you will need a straw and a screw. Cut the straw to the length of the screw and then cut a slit down the side of the straw. Insert the screw into the slit and then use the straw to turn the screw. This method is not ideal for heavy-duty screws, but it can be a useful hack in a pinch. Number 2, prevent necklaces from tangling. When packing necklaces in your luggage, thread each necklace through a drinking straw. This keeps them from tangling during your travels. Number 1, remove dirt from your sink drain. Over time, hair and other debris tend to accumulate in your shower or sink drain, potentially leading to blockages. However, there's a simple solution that involves using a straw. Grab a straw and make a few cuts in it. Next, insert the modified straw into your drain, being careful as you do so. Give it a gentle twist before carefully removing it. You'll likely find that some of the accumulated dirt and hair comes out with the straw. Repeat this process several times until there's no more hair left on the straw. This method provides a straightforward and effective way to clean your drain. Give this clever cleaning tip a try for yourself. That's all we have for today. If you want to see more popular videos we made, click one on the screen. Thanks for watching and see you next time.